All right, just on Yonge Street, just north of Davisville. Finally gonna go in here and try their famous sandwich and see what else I can buy. Oh, maybe they have the pasta I've been looking for. Look at all the treats here. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good. I didn't even know you guys were here. You guys have been here for how long?
The store's been here for like 40 years.
40 years, okay. I don't come up in this area often, so. Can I get a sandwich made?
Grab the bread and then Doreen will get help for the sandwich.
Grab the bread.
Yep.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see. Here's the bread. So Italian or this one? What bread would you suggest? What bread?
We only have 2 left there. I like the ciabatta.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Nice and cushiony. Don't squeeze the charm. Hi. How are ya? Okay. What's the popular sandwich you guys make? I see on social media.
How special, girl? Like prosciutto?
Sounds good. Just, yeah. Perfect. But for the spread, I just don't like mustard.
We don't put mustard on our house special.
Huh?
Only gold balsamic. We don't put mustard.
Okay, good. I'm not a mustard or any of those things. What else I can get? Oh. This is... Oh, I can't reach it. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these.
Yeah, just yeah, some 4 or 5 slices. Drop your glove.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I had to walk out. I'm in the Eglinton Center or something like that, Young and Eglinton, and I'm gonna try the sandwich. All right, I'm gonna do a quick review because the signal isn't good for my live stream. So I am inside the Eglinton Center food court. This is the sandwich. I'm gonna take a bite of it. Looks good. Very good. I'm getting some sweet, some spicy. The cheese, mozzarella. The house sandwich. The sandwich is actually called the special. That's what I meant to say. Take your bite. Yum. Very good.